Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 2 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 1. So to solve this equation, I'm going to first start by taking the natural log, or ln, on both sides. So I get ln 2 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to ln 3 to the power of x plus 1. And the reason I'm doing this is because logarithms come with a special property that states that if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times ln a. In this case, for ln 2 to the power of x minus 5, I can move x minus 5 to the front, and for ln 3 to the power of x plus 1, I can move x plus 1 to the front. So now I get x minus 5 times ln 2 is equal to x plus 1 times ln 3. Now from here, I'm going to distribute ln 2 for my left-hand side. So I get x times ln 2 minus 5 times ln 2 is equal to, my right-hand side, I'm going to distribute ln 3. So I get x times ln 3 plus ln 3. Now I'm going to subtract x times ln 3 on both sides. So these two cancel out, and I get x times ln 2 minus x times ln 3 is equal to, I'm going to add 5 ln 2 on both sides. So 5 times ln 2 plus ln 3. And for my left-hand side, I can now factor out x, because again, that's what we're solving for. So I get x times ln 2 minus ln 3 is equal to 5 times ln 2 plus ln 3. And now from here, we want to isolate x because that's what we're solving for. So I'm going to divide both sides by ln 2 minus ln 3. So these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 5 times ln 2 plus ln 3. And I have this over ln 2 minus ln 3. So now that we have this, what we want to do is actually plug in the values of ln 2 and ln 3 in here so we can get the exact value of x, because we don't want this unsimplified version of x. So first off, ln 2, the value for that is equal to 0.693. And ln 3 is equal to 1.099. So I get x is equal to 5 times 0.693 plus 1.099 over 0.693 minus 1.099. Now, 5 times ln 2, or 0.693, is equal to 3.466. So I have this plus 1.099 over 0.693 minus 1.099. So now 3.6 plus 1.099 is equal to 4.565. So I have this over 0.693 minus 1.099, which is equal to negative 0.406. So now finally, if I divide 4.565 with 0.406, negative, by the way, I get negative 11.244. So this is my answer.